Alright, today we're out here exploring Slippery Creek Road. It rained a whole bunch yesterday, so we'll see how slippery it actually is. Hopefully there might be some mud or something up there. Just getting aired down right now. I've never done this trail before, but I've heard there's really good views of Rainier and just awesome overlooks, so yeah, first time doing it, we'll check it out. It shouldn't be too bad of a trail. On Onyx, it looks like it's a 3 out of 10, so should be a pretty basic logging road, maybe a couple little obstacles in it, but we'll see. Well, so far this is a really cool trail. Awesome day for it. Just the sun coming through the trees and everything. Super beautiful out. And also, it's just me today, no dogs. The wife took the dogs today, so just a solo adventure out here. Oh. A few potholes. Yeah, it definitely gets a little steeper here. A little rutted out, a little steeper. Still on 2-wheel drive. 10 PSI, we'll see how we do. Pretty good size right here. Might want to go 4-wheel drive, we'll see. Oh. Oh. Alright, no problem. No problem at all. It's a little tighter through here, but all the bushes are pretty, or all the branches or whatever you want to call them, they're pretty soft, so it's not really scratching anything right now. Still in 2-wheel drive. Probably could put it in a 4 if I wanted to put it a little easier, but he's doing fine so far, not really slipping. Definitely a cool trail so far, really like it. This is pretty sweet. Awesome view of Rainier over here. Alright, I think we made it up here to about the main viewpoint of this trail. I mean, it's pretty cool. I'd say, yeah, 3 out of 10 sounds about right for it. Wasn't too much mud or anything. I thought with the rain there'd be a little more slop, but no, a lot of rocks. Yeah, cool trail. We're going to try this little obstacle here. Yeah, we'll see. It's not much on camera, but in person it's decently steep, so just kind of eyeballing it real fast. But yeah, we'll give it a try. Alright, this is basically where the trail ends up. If you follow it all the way to the end on the OnX maps. Kind of looks like it turns into some dirt bike trails. Let's see if you can see over here. Yeah, a little shooting area, a little fire pit, just right down here. So not much of a view at the very end of it. But yeah, fun trail coming up here. It gets a little tighter. You might get some pinstriping. I was able to make it up in my truck, and it definitely touched the side somewhat. Looks like there is a little dirt bike trail that passes through here. This might be a fun little obstacle to pull up and come off potentially. We'll see. Might check it out. But no, I'd definitely say 3 out of 10. Your Subaru might be able to make it up. It's just going to be a ground clearance thing if you can't make it over some obstacles. But yeah, no, definitely awesome views for this trail. Oh, I got 3 of them. They seem a little too chill. You guys need better instincts. Big old trucks coming in. You guys are just, oh, just, alright. They're not going to last that long. Mom and her cub. Yeah, what are they, brown bear? Or? They're just looking at me. Your food's up at the top. I saw them earlier. That's a little scary.